Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing Squishy Pet Peeves Part 2. Yes. Don't mind my hair. I might be going to CVS today to buy another Squishy. So yeah, Squishy Pet Peeves Part 2. And yes, I got 3 new Squishies from Michael's yesterday. I'll just show you them real quick. I got this really squishy at Michael's. I mean, like, it's really squishy. Then I got this one that had like a huge hole in it, but I just got it because it was like the softest one there. And I got another one, but white. But this one has that thing in it. Really squishy. So yeah. Let's move on to the video. Alright, so my first squishy pet peeve is when the squishy, they put it so close to the camera and you think it's like the regular size, it's like the jumbo size, and next thing you know it's like the miniature size. So let's move on. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my jumbo cake squishy. It's like so big. There it is. It's like humongous. So yeah. My next squishy pet peeve is when they look so depressed when they're squishy, and like, if you don't like your squishy, then like give it to someone else, but like don't keep your squishy that like you're not gonna like, that you will destroy or something. Don't do that to it, because you basically spent a lot of money on it, and if it's not your money, whoever's money you spent, then you just wasted their money for nothing. So yeah, let's move on to that part. Hey guys, so I got this squishy. It's really good, I guess. I do like it. So yeah. Yeah, I don't like when they do that. And no offense to anyone that does that, no offense. I'm not trying to be mean or anything. Alright, I have to just put it back in. Right. My next squishy pet peeve is when their squishy is like, their squishy is like the dirtiest thing in the world. So let me just find one of my dirtiest squishies. Right. Hey guys, I got this really like really not dirty squishy. It's like not dirty at all compared to my other ones. I'll show you another squishy that I have that is so not dirty. See, I have these 2 really clean squishies. They're really clean. And cool. So yeah, bye. Yeah, I do not like that. And yes, I forgot to tell you guys that this squishy is also like really dirty. Put that right there. Right. My next one is when like they say their squishy is so small, but it's actually really big. So yeah. Hey guys, so I got this thing that's so small. I ordered it to be like the size of like my hand, and look what I got. It's freaking the size of my finger or my pinky. See? what the heck is this? And I got it. It was so defected. Yeah, like so. And this is actually the size of my hand, and I did not order it. My friend Christina gave it to me. Yes, I wanted it when it was defected. I wanted it anyways. So yeah, that's part 2. Bye and love.